Welcome back, dear children. How are things going, children? Okay. Yesterday we learned about subject. We all know the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about. This is called the subject of the sentence. Then, how to find a subject from the sentence, children? Do you know that way? Do you remember that one? Yes, it is possible to find out the subject in a sentence by taking the verb and asking the question who or what. Then we will get one answer. That answer is our subject. Okay. Example, Dia is playing in the garden. Children, here which is the subject? How to find out? Yes, first we want to identify the verb from the sentence. Here, which is the verb? Yes, is playing. Then, asking the question who or what. Then we will get one answer. That answer is our subject. So, here Dia is the subject. Today we are going to study predicate. Let's read this. The part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the sentence. Let's read some sentences. The fishermen are catching fish. Next one, I live in Mumbai. Leah is playing piano. Can you find out subjects and predicates from these sentences? Let's take our first example. Our first example is the fishermen are catching fish. Here we are speaking about fisherman. So fisherman is the subject. Then what are they doing? They means fisherman. What are they doing? They are catching fish. So here we tell something about the subject. So are catching fish is the predicate part of this sentence. Same way, I live in Mumbai. Here I shows subject and live in Mumbai is a predicate. Now read this sentence. Sneha is drinking apple juice. We all know here Sneha is the subject. So when we separated the subject from the sentence, the predicate remains. So here Sneha is the subject, is drinking apple juice, predicate part. Now let's summarize what we learned today. Today we learned predicate. The part which tells something about the subject. This is called the predicate of the sentence. I repeat, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking is subject, and the part which tells something about the subject is predicate. Okay, children, this is the time to wind up the class. Take care of yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.